There you go. Oh, it's a Freddy. Freddy. Let's go. Oh, whoa, whoa. Who's in the locker?
Mochi.
Bro, what are you doing there?
Chill.
Gross,
That's
man.
not me.
Gross.
That's not me. That's not me.
Okay,
Huh?
okay.
That's not me, ate.
Sino yun?
Yan.
No, no, we
Masira.
saw that's Zarina. I saw Zarina. She's hopping in the
Oh.
locker.
Sorry,
Hey,
sorry.
you
No,
got head on? What the fuck, bro?
Na-excite ka, ha?
So excited for Freddy, bro. And she got my dealer, bro. That's not good.
Yeah. I'm
Got
dead.
second dealer, bro. Come on.
Ate, hindi ko na nagugustuhan yan eh. Parang iba na yung pagkakasabi niya eh.
Oh shit.
Don't
scared.
pop it.
Great skill
Ah.
check, right?
I'm dying.
See, Sam, I help you. We both out of the dream world. See? Oh, he's coming right
shoot.
now.
Sorry.
Run, shoot.
He's coming back!
Whoa,
Wait,
what?
tanilin ako?
Oh,
Oo,
Sam,
yun.
he faked out there. He faked out there.
Oh,
What the
yeah.
hell?
Tanil
bro.
ako, tatanil ako!
Original my dealer, bro. Come on. No
Nasaan ka
turn.
ba? Nasaan ka?
Sa main.
Sige, sige, pupunta ako dyan. Sa baba, sa baba, sa baba.
Baba na, pa-vault na ng window.
To the
Going
window.
to shop.
I saw you.
Yeah,
I saw you.
Let's go, let's go.
Take a hit, take a hit. Hit.
I'm coming
What?
to Shack. Oh, you're not in the Shack much, where are you?
No, I'm here in the wall.
Okay. Chase me, baby.
Oh!
Chasing me.
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna take her
What
on
in
loop,
the...
bro.
Ano dyan?
Oh.
Ikaw pa rin. Baba mo yung palit.
Utang ina.
Ikaw pa rin.
What? What? I had utang, man. Wait, told me what is
I
that?
can't see.
Okay, you can't see what.
I can't see the drugs, man. Too high.
Dealer high. Whoa, where are you, dealer? Oh, you're in Shack, bro.
I'm here.
Pallet.
That's it, siya.
Are you under the pallet?
No, I'm not. I'm in the window.
Mhm.
Oh, ba't ka
Sorry.
nagpa-down? Wala siya.
Ay, ikaw pa rin.
Oo. Nagpa-down pa siya. Oh, grabe ka.
Bless
Praise
ko yung
the Lord.
circus, ha.
Aray ko, gigil siya sa akin, oh. Bang ginawa ko sa kanya?
You're so cute daw. Gigil siya.
Pantap. Where are you?
What?
I'm coming.
Sorry, dealer. Whoa, he fucked up. Run.
Kobe?
Get out. Go to main. No, hindi. Go to main.
Oh shit.
Second hook.
Wawa ko
Second
pa
hook.
rin, putang ina.
Where are you, dealer?
Excuse me.
Come back to the
Ay,
Shack. Oh,
gago, dapat pa yun? I'm fucking dead, man.
I'm coming, dealer. Hang on.
Fuck this boy. Uy.
Sam, take him away.
Ano, he
No,
wants,
He wants my
Jim.
ass.
Where's the hook, guys?
Aaron, wag ka naman pa-down. Hala,
Whoa,
kulit po niya. Grabe siya, oh.
Guys, one more tick. One hit. I can stab the hook. Can you take a hit, Zarina?
What the fuck?
I'm so close. Ang inang yan, problema nun.
wala, tunnel.
Whoa.
4 gens
Boring.
pa lang eh.
Gross, Freddy.
Boring yung ganong killer.
Ng tunnel na agad.
Pa-tunnel. Aga-aga eh.
What a tunnel, bruh.
Don't worry. Be happy.
He's happy. Whoa! Come on, mind games.
Kala ka na-heal kita.
Oh, I'm done. He's gone. Oh no basement. I'm happy. The fuck?
Let me wake up. Uy, shush! He's with me.
I'm
Chasing me! Ay, may tae!
There you go, Zarina.
Hill.
Still chasing
Okay.
me? Still with me? Still with me?
Okay, okay.
Uy, umabot pa yun! Anak naman ng...
Damn. Opa got you. Opa got you, Uma. There you go.
Not in the hill.
Not in the hills.
Aww. First hook.
Let's try to get a gem. Is he chasing you, Jazz?
No.
Bruh.
It's on you. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's on me.
I'm saving.
Ay, sa April na pala ilalabas yung sweet tooth.
You swing that, bro.
Alis.
He's going
Yung
back.
ano natin?
Ah, tunnel.
Sweet tooth. Pinapanood ko yung season 1.
What a dinner, bro.
Yeah.
Who have a good MMR in the game now? Why are we getting
Ah.
criminally killed? There you go. Is it still on you, Sam?
Nope. I'm going to the other boon.
Okay. Where is he?
He's in the main. He's in the main. Outside the main. He's going to the circus.
Okay, cool. I was scared, like, I was right next to main. My gen is on the hill, small hill. Right next to me. Oh, he's here!
Oh, someone took it already.
Oh, he's kicking my gen. What the fuck, bro? I'm taking him to the stack. Anyone at the stack?
I'm in the
Oh, shit!
Saan ka, Aaron?
main.
Ah, sige. Ah, gisingin ko lang yung ano. Gisingin ko lang tayo. Mga one hit.
I'm under the pallet! I'm under the pallet! Anyone close to main?
Nope.
No,
I'm in the
you can get it.
circus.
Zarina. He's picking me up, Zarina! Got it. Bye. Bitchy bye. Bro, what? Okay. I'm going to circus, guys. Shadow steps, right?
Can I heal you?
Yeah. Here in the corner. There you go. So no one can see here. Oh,
I need to wake you up, I think.
yeah.
Still on me.
Still on you?
I'm going.
Still on your...
No.
I'll open it.
Yeah, if there is a sexy item, give it to me, okay? If there is a flashlight, I can save you guys.
Toolbox brown.
Shit, no.
Let me use it to this gem.
Yeah, I'm gonna use it on your gen. I'm popping my gen right
Don't
now.
let me.
Saan ka banda?
To
Main,
be honest,
main.
he's not that
Main?
good, but he's
Yeah.
bitch.
This bloodlusting.
Yeah, bloodlusting, bro.
Ang ingay nung kabayo.
Sam, are you in Dream World?
Yes.
Yeah,
Let me woke you up.
I'm also in Dream World.
Granny, let me woke you up before I go.
Whoa.
Thank you.
See, now I'm in dream world. You need to woke me up after
Hurry,
we pop
hurry.
this. Right now? Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's do one thing while we are doing the gen. We will blow it up one time.
Or
Right.
the co-op.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, let's go. Very good. Now we won't blow it up. Oh my
Stop
god.
kasi ako.
It's toxic, bro. It's toxic.
Ooh, painreso.
Anyways, we don't know that.
So, still here.
Yeah.
Still here. Looking for someone. The rocks.
No, he's gonna snap out my wound, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw your
See? There you go.
And it's coming. And
Teleporting.
it's coming.
teleporting.
Yeah, no worry. I got it. Bye bye, bitchy boy. Bye bye. Is he on you, Sam?
Nope. He didn't even
he's
see
on
me
me.
because I'm so dark.
Bro.
I'll do just.
Can you get Jazz? Can you get Jazz? He's on me right now.
Yeah.
Haha! Swing there. Oh my god, bro.
Oh, he's going. Oh, he's coming back.
Yeah. Is he coming back on hook?
Oh yeah.
Shit. I'm far away. Sorry, Jazz. We can't get
I'm
you
here. I'm here.
You're here. Okay, I'm going back.
Take a hit.
Oh, I'm so far away. Surface.
You trying to chase me?
No, me.
Isn't
Okay.
Jazz killer?
No,
Oh,
me.
it's that.
Oh, what? Okay. Then that's good. You're first hook, Sam. You can do it, right?
Where are you?
To the bone. Circus.
Oh my god! What the heck? Yung puno! Kasalanan ng puno to eh.
I'm doing a gen right next to the bone. Is he near you, Sam?
Nope. I think he's looking for you too.
Okay, I get the rescue.
Yeah,
Aaron is
okay,
here.
no.
Aaron is here. Oh, he saw Aaron. No. He's going to the circus.
Oh, I thought what? Okay. Come here, boy. Let's go on a loop. He left me. He's Snoopy. Kenoopy.
Wake me up.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, the circus gen was like pretty close, guys. Can you go and get it?
Coming.
But he was there. He snuffed out the bone. Did no! Oh. Shit. Oh, he's picking me up. Pop the. Okay, leave the gen. He's hooking me. There you go. He snuffed out the boon again. No, he didn't.
Yeah.
He
Coming
didn't.
back.
Saan na siya?
Whoa, he's tunneling. Bye-bye.
Saan ka gumagawa?
Dito sa may four walls, tapat ng hook.
I'm coming to circus. Is anyone there at the circus?
No, no.
Yeah, we're here. Four walls.
At the side, yeah.
Side of the circus.
I'm near the gen where you pop it.
Yeah. There's one pallet there.
Yeah, I'm gonna down the pallets, so get the rescue there. You doing? Oh,
It's coming, Aaron.
Coming.
Ay, wait lang.
Gross.
Hello, B.
Hello.
Oh, shoot.
What?
Na-down
Shoot.
si Aaron.
Okay, exponential.
Shit, bad trip.
Pauwi mo lang.
Kawawa na anak ko.
Ha?
Kawawa na anak ko.
Bakit?
Tute ng labas, ako pa ang sumundo, B.
Ano?
Oh my God talaga.
Gantong oras, saka mo lang sundo anak mo?
Oo. Wala ba naman iba sumundo eh?
Nasaan mga kapatid mo?
Ewan ko.
Okay. You're not gonna pick me up.
Awa na yung
What the
bata,
fuck? You
nakita
pick
ko
me
na
up.
nandun sa isang tabi.
I was like, bro, come on. Get the hat, Sam.
What?
Let's go. Get the hat,
Hatch?
get the hat.
Hatch!
May dala ba? Wala
Hatch,
naman eh.
Hatch.
I think I'm gonna die.
Walang hatch.
Kaya nga eh.
You are not gonna die, bruh.
He's here.
Whoa, gross.
I don't know where's the hatch is. Oh shit! I can...
Did he close the hatch on your face?
No. I just escaped. So sorry. Sorry, binapasigaw ako.
God. There you go. Oh my gosh. You're lethal for sure. Okay, there you go. You're all done.